Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the error your Apple ID is not eligible to use this application when trying to access the Apple developer app or website. So let's get started without wasting any time. This issue usually occurs when your Apple ID is only associated with a phone number, not an email address. To use Apple developer services, your Apple ID must have a verified email address associated with it. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Tap on your Apple ID profile name at the top. Now go to Sign in and Security. Now tap on Add Email or Phone Number. Then tap Add an existing email address. Here, enter your email address. And tap Continue. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. Enter it here. After verification, make sure to set that email as your primary email and tap Done. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Tap Done. Now go back to Apple developer website or app and try logging in using your Apple ID email instead of your phone number. And that's it. This should fix the issue and you'll be able to access the Apple developer tools without any error. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips.